Hi, my name is DatT, and this is my project 5. So this is my file structure, and this is my main activity. This is my list activity. This is my data manager. This is my layout. And this is the strings file. Now I'm going to showcase the project 5. Now we'll select the string array. Now we'll enter in the invalid index. Choose non-index, and I will enter in a valid index. And then I will enter an index that is out of bound. And that's it for my project 5. The additional feature that I added in this project is that I created a list view for this project. So I can go to the list view by selecting this view button. And in this list view I can scroll up and down. And that's it for my project 5. Thank you for listening.